Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the exact cell for the check. This matters because placement affects formatting and later automation. Change the font to Wingdings or Seago UI symbol if you plan a symbol check. This lets a character look like a check. Once that is set, resize the cell and center alignment so the check displays clearly. These small layout choices save time and prevent misalignment when you copy the cell across rows. Now you implement the check logic. Use if to show a check when a condition is met. For example, equals if, A20, heavy check mark, because this gives you control over when the mark appears. If you prefer fonts, use char 252 in Wingdings or Unishar 10003 to produce a consistent symbol across systems. Once done, make sure to link this output to conditional formatting so color and visibility follow your rules. This makes checks dynamic and easier to scan. Finish by copying formulas or converting to values when you need a static check. Use paste special values to avoid accidental changes. You should also confirm font consistency on other machines. If fonts differ, switch to Unishar or the symbol character code so it stays reliable. If something goes wrong, check conditional formatting rule order and whether stop if true is active. Rearranging or fixing references usually resolves display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.